So in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote CPA MaxBounty affiliate offers using Google Ads. Now, it's a very special method. You want to watch the video very carefully because you do not want to make these simple mistakes. That's going to result in wasted time, wasted money, and just wasted headaches. So make sure you follow this video very carefully, step by step. So I'm here at OfferVault because I want to show you the kind of offers exist across all kinds of different affiliate marketing and CPA marketing networks. And so before we begin, let me show you how this works. We have filters, we have categories, and we have countries. And one thing you guys got to understand, this is very important when it comes to promoting CPA marketing offers on Google Ads, is that you can't really promote, stuff like sweepstakes. So you can't type sweepstakes, you can't type surveys. And the reason for that is the payout for sweepstakes and surveys is fairly small. And what that means is that you're going to be paying per click. And let's say you're paying $2 per click or $1 per click. Well, for a lot of these surveys, your payout is going to be like $2, right? It's going to be $1.40, $1.35, $1.70. Yeah, you have some big ones here, but for the most part, it's going to be $2.50, $2.20. So you can't really promote these kinds of offers using today's method on Google Ads. So you have to know that. That's the first thing you have to know. And so that means you have to pick the offers that pay you more money. And so there's a lot of categories with offers that pay you a lot of money. But in my experience, and actually one of the easier ones to promote is e-commerce. So if you type e-commerce, you see you're going to have big payout offers. You're not going to see $2. Sometimes you're going to see $10, okay? But that's a very low payout. For the most part, you're going to be seeing $80, $70, $40, another 80, another 80. You might be seeing even more than that. I think I've seen a mattress offer. So if you type a mattress offer, I had a friend promoting mattress offers. It's not this one that pays like 150 or something like this. So you're going to see a lot of really good offers. Now, the next thing you want to do, obviously, you want to pick an offer with a high payout, right? The higher, the better. But you also want to pick an offer that you can describe using keywords, right? Remember, we're using Google Ads, so you have to be able to describe this offer using keywords. So let's take a look at some of these offers, and we're looking for high payout, right? We're looking for this payout. We're going to type payout. We're going to sort them. And now we have glucose, ultra cut, keto, one shot keto, immunity advanced, keto, fat burner. So you can do keto if you want, but there's a lot better offers. We have safeguard medical devices. We also have these teeth supplements. We have immunity advanced. We have a lot of interesting offers. Another thing that I'm looking for is I'm looking for offers that I can target to the US market, okay? I do not want to promote offers that are, for other markets, okay? Because I'm not familiar with a lot of these other markets. I'm familiar with the US market. And so let's say you want to promote, you want to go big, you want to, hit a home run, you want to go big or you want to go home, right? So we have an offer for $130. Let's say it's ultra cut keto. We're going to open it up and we're going to take a look, right? So what I like about this offer is that this offer is going to be in demand, right? This is weight loss and everybody wants to lose weight. And it says CEO brand bidding allowed. This is a big one, right? If it says that, this is a huge thing, right? So we're going to go with this offer. And so the next thing you guys want to do is you do not want a direct link to Google Ads. You want to go Google for a tool called Arengu, or however you pronounce it, Arengu. Okay, you're going to open this up and you're going to sign up for your free account. You see it says here, you're in the free plan and you're going to create a form. Now follow exactly how I do it so that you understand exactly what's up. There's a lot of templates. Right, there's sign up flows, data verification flows, all of these. So we're just going to do a blank form. We're just going to do a blank form and I'm going to explain to you the significance of this form. Okay, guys, so it's very important to understand is that we do not want to send the user to this directly to this offer. We want to talk to them first. We want to make them feel good. We want to qualify them. And what does qualify means? Qualify means that we are going to make the user feel as though they are the only ones that are getting this offer. There's lots of ways to do qualifications. You can qualify depending on where they're from. You could qualify by age. You can qualify by profession. You can qualify by the color of their eyes, by the color of their hair. There's so many ways of qualifying. We can't do all of those things. But what we can do is we can ask them a bunch of questions, and then based on the results, based on their answers, we can redirect them to the offer. Okay, so let me explain to you how we can do it. So we have text fields, email fields, we have choices. So let's say we drag up choice. Okay, we have choice. We're gonna add a bunch of options. And so we're gonna say something like this. How long have you been trying to lose weight? All right. So that's the first question. These questions, they don't have to be too personal, but they have to be related to what we're doing here, right? It's very important. So I'm gonna come up with 3 questions real quick, right? So I'm gonna just come in here, right? And I'm gonna come up with 3 questions. I'm gonna add another question here. Actually, I'm just gonna drag and drop. So I'm gonna drag and drop another question. This is another and another one. And then we also need the email. I'm gonna make that first. Okay, so we have email and we have 3. These are text questions. We don't need text question. Let's delete that real quick and let's drag these choices. Okay, so I'm gonna have 3 choices. You can have text questions, but I highly recommend having these choices because choices will allow them to pick something. It's less work, whereas text, they have to type something in. So this is an email, right? We're just gonna say email, whatever. This is required. Your best email. But this is a placeholder text. It's gonna appear here, your best email, and we are gonna move the submit button to the bottom, obviously. Okay, and now we're gonna have another 3 choices and another 3 choices. So I'm using this formula 3 by 3, 3 questions with 3 choices each. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna think of another question. How long have you been trying to lose weight? Do you want to? What's more important to you? What's more important to you? And I'll explain that. And this is gonna be a bunch of things like lose weight, gain muscle, feel good. Okay. And then last but not least, it could be something like how much weight do you want to lose? So I'm gonna go in here. So I'm gonna move this here. What's more important to you? I'm gonna make it the first kind of this big question. And then how long have you been trying to lose weight? How much weight do you want to lose? And I'm gonna put something like 10 pounds, 25 pounds, more than 50 pounds. Okay, just simple questions. And I just thought of these while talking to you. Let's finish this. How long you've been trying to lose weight? 1 month. Let's put 6 months, more than a year, 1 year, something like this. A very simple question, and it doesn't really matter what they answer. What's important is that we're asking these questions. What's important is that we're asking them these questions to make them feel more comfortable with the situation. Email, and that's it. That's all we have to do. So this is gonna be our choice 1. Choice 1. Just label it real quick. This is required. This is required, and this is gonna be choice 3. Choice 2. Required. All right. So what do we have? Required. Required. All of these. You see these red asterisks. That means they're all required. And that's kind of how, you can make these optional if you want, but making them required is going to increase how effective these are, right? Because if they are optional, they can just click submit and go. But if they're required, that means, hey, they really care about us. So once you do that, you're going to hit publish. That saves it. Now you can hit preview, and that's going to open up in a new window. Now we have a form, and you can hit submit, and it says all of these are required. Okay. Now, once you hit publish, that just means save it. You can do a lot of interesting things, right? You can save this form. You can embed it. Look at this. You can embed it anywhere. You can, you can have it as a pop-up HTML. You can embed it on your WordPress website. There's a lot of things that you can do. This is why this is so powerful, right? And you can also create other forms. You can go in here. You can preview. You can embed it, you can duplicate it. Once you hit preview, this is the page that you can actually send people to. And when they are basically submitting this form, you're gonna go into submissions and you're gonna see all your responses here. But this is this is the key here. But remember, we're not getting these submissions. What we want to redirect them to the offer. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a flow. We're going to create a brand new flow. I'm just going to delete these flows here that are from a bunch of other projects, which I don't need anymore. So I'm going to hit delete. I'm going to create a new flow here. And this is going to be an integration flow, right? We're going to do that. And what's going to happen is, And now what you want to do is you want to go back to your form, you want to edit it, right? And over here where it says, thank you, your form has been successfully submitted, you want to hit this, redirect to URL, and this is going to be your CPA offer here. This is going to be URL for the offer. You can make it, I would recommend maybe make it 3 seconds, maybe 2 seconds. So this message is shown here, okay? And now you can redirect it to the actual offer. And now let's go into Google Ads and let's create a quick campaign that we are going to be advertising that offer. And so once they click on the ad, we're going to send them to the form. So I'm going to go into my Google Ads. We're going to hit new campaign. We're going to create a campaign really quickly. We're going to do website traffic, search. We're going to hit continue. And we're going to call this CPA 1. We're going to deselect this. We're going to just say United States, English. We're going to skip all that. We're just going to say clicks. Average daily budget, let's say $20, whatever your budget is. We're going to save and continue. And now we're going to set up our ad groups here, right? I'm just going to say AG1. And we are going to scroll down, has these keywords, all of that. And now we're going to paste the keywords here. Now the keywords, depending on the offer, right? We're doing keto kit. You can even do brand bidding, right? And this is what? Ultra cut keto, right? You can even bid on these keywords, right? So we're going to go in here. We're going to paste that. We're going to go in here. We're going to take a look. We're going to go into Google, actually, and we're going to type that keyword in. So if you scroll down, you see a bunch of other reviews, committed to fit, things like that. So what you can do is you can copy this right here, ultra cut keto review, do something like this, ultra cut keto program, keto plan, start keto weight loss plan, good keto program. So you can do something like this. You can have as many as you want. I believe I have like 8 here. Yeah, I have 8 here, and this is good enough, right? It's telling us the average CPC is 160. I typically do not trust these metrics. They're just estimates over here. We can increase our budget, and yeah, you can do that, but I typically do not look at these because from my experience, they're not very reliable. We're gonna hit save and continue, and here you can create the ads. Now for the ads, you're gonna take a look at the ads, right? Take a look at this one. Here's an ad right here. 95% satisfied customer. This is an ad right here. #1 official store keto. You can do something like that, right? But what I want, a much easier way of doing it is, so you're going to have this headline here. So remember, the final URL, this is going to be our form, right? We're going to go in here. We're going to hit publish. This is our URL. This is going to be the URL to our offer. So let's say it's Google for now. We're going to hit publish. And when we hit preview, we have this preview URL. You can use that URL here. You're going to paste it there, okay? Google is not complaining. This is fine. And now here's the headline. Now for the headline, we can have something like trying to lose weight. Description, you can have something like this. Trying to lose weight. All right, so this is what I have. Trying to lose weight. Try our amazing keto program. I would also capitalize just for a much better effect. Something like this. Try our amazing keto program. 95% satisfied customers. And then you can have your descriptions. Then you can talk a little bit more about it. So if you take a look at this description here, they have a description, burns fat easily, no fast and no exercise. So you can take this. Do not copy and paste it. I would just recommend that you take it and you paraphrase it, right? So you can do something like this. Amazing keto product, burns fat effortlessly, no exercise required. Because people hate doing exercises, right? So we have that. All right, so now we have our descriptions. We have our headlines. We're pretty much done. So we can also add another description here. This product really works. Get fit for the summer, something like this. Or you can put something like surprise your friends, whatever. And now when you hit save and continue, it's going to go into a review. And once it's in the review phase, Google is going to check it out. They're going to approve it within like 24 to 48 hours. And they've been typically fairly quickly with approval processes. And then when people are going to start seeing the ad when they type those keywords, and once they click on it, they're going to go to your form where they're going to fill out a questionnaire, and that's going to qualify them. So when they fill out the questionnaire, they're going to get redirected to the offer. They're going to be a lot more likely to purchase. And that is how you set up a search marketing campaign with Google Ads for a CPA marketing offer. I really hope you enjoyed this method. Don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in one of the following videos.